Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. Charisma. People will often say, you're born with it or not. It's not something that you can develop. Well, it is true that some people have a natural stage presence. It's true. However, here's the myth. You can use charisma in your presentations. Olivia Fox Cabane, in her book, The Charisma Myth, outlines the different types of charisma. And I love this because it really delineates not only that charisma is possible for all of us, but also how you can go about doing it. She talks about the fact that there are 4 types, and one of them is focus charisma, which is about presence. Visionary charisma, which is about belief. Kindness charisma, which is about warmth. And authority charisma, which is all about status. Now, depending on what you're doing and what you want to accomplish, you can incorporate these different kinds of charisma in order to connect more deeply and more powerfully with your audience. I think this is really good news. And of course, I see that every day when I work with my clients, how they can deepen and develop their ability to connect, because really it's all about allowing that authentic voice that you have to come through and getting rid of all the distractions and the blind spots that prevent that from happening. So charisma, you got it. It's just a matter of using it. Remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. So let's make sure your play is authentically yours. Thanks a lot. See you next time.